Collaboration using Smart Notes. In this module, we'll look at how you can use Smart Notes to store project artifacts and related information directly within your project. In Smart Notes module, we will look at how to create a Smart Note, how you can either use existing templates or create your own templates so that you can use them later again. How you can insert text and format it, insert images, tables, and documents, insert icons, and manage your tasks. Let's take a look at Smart Notes in action. In Smart Notes, you will see that this is under the Work Hub, and then you have Smart Notes here. So that Smart Note shows up as a sub-hub under Work. You can organize your Smart Notes in folders. When you have Smart Notes, examples of Smart Notes might be something like this, which is a planning tool. There's a stencil for this. This is another example of a Smart Note where I've created a to-do list for the project, added some artifacts, and then have an image in there. And here is the project overview artifact. So sometimes people do this in OneNote, or they'll put it in SharePoint or Google Docs, or wherever they put it. It tends to get distributed. And when team members need it, it's not in one location with their project. Now you can store this information directly within your TFS or VSTS projects. So let's go ahead and create a new page. So when creating a new page, you can choose existing templates that you have. So for example, I'm going to make some meeting minutes or take meeting notes. And then you give it a date. And for example, that's the name of my, you can't have special characters, so let's not do that. So I'll say Jan 9th, 2018. That'll work. And based on that, we'll create a template. So the template is instantiated. Now I can go ahead and create all my information directly in here. And I can just type through. Now, I can also just go into this on the right side and click anywhere else and say things to do, and then start to write down what it is that we want to do, and then put a check mark next to it. Or if you want to highlight it, you can highlight it, and so on. And as you're done with things, you can just mark them done. So just click anywhere, start typing, like so. The other thing you can do in a Smart Note is you can attach artifacts, like documents. So if I wanted to add a document, I could go here, and I'll add the Agile extension directly in Smart Notes. Okay, so this attachment is now embedded in there. Yeah, I can move my content around, organize it the way I want it, delete it if I don't want it. And so it's really the ability to create a OneNote-like content directly within TFS or VSTS. When you have some content in the document, you may select it. Oops. As soon as you select it, you see this this toolbar, context toolbar appear. And in here, you've got the different formats in there. So I could go in, I could say, this belongs to project 1 or something else may belong to project 2. So you can visually tag it as you need to. You may also insert in here tables and organize it wherever you want it, and then provide all its information, and so on. All right, so that's OneNote, and that's how you use it. If you had images, you can copy and paste it into here, or you can click on image and select an image from your image library, which you can search on the web and you can add it to your media library, or you can upload images that you have in your system. Okay. When you check this in, first you can save it, which is just saved as a draft. When you check it in, now others can click on it and edit it as well. The work item, so there's a work item created for this information, and in the description field, you get a visual of your smart node. So if you did want to generate a report on that, you can. And one way to generate the report, to generate this as a document, is to invoke smart report. And then from within smart report, you can pull in the data. If you want to link a work item to the smart node, open up the note work item. And the work item it creates here for a smart node is configurable. So you could tell it what work item you want to create when you create a node. And if you want to create a link to the node, then you can always link it through here. Okay. So that is smart nodes. And we've looked at how you can manage your information and keep that information with your project. And so it's not distributed, it is centrally hosted. Everybody has access to the information that is necessary. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.